not perfection. What's your oh no to oh yes upcycling moment? Share your disaster to masterpiece stories below. The final boss level, styling. Pair your upcycled denim vest with a flowy, thrifted dress. Add a belt made from old scarves. Pro tip, document your looks for Instagram. It's free portfolio fuel. Tag me in your before and after photos. I'll reshare the most creative looks. Every upcycled piece is a middle finger to fast fashion. Hit subscribe if you're ready to ditch waste and wear your values. Smash that like button to spread the revolution, and comment, "I'm in," to join our upcycling squad. Remember, the most sustainable wardrobe is the one you already own. See you next Tuesday for another trash to treasure adventure.